All right, I think we are live. As always, I'm just gonna mess around and get this posted out and retweeted and stuff, and then we will dive into it. We're doing something super interesting today. We're going to dive into Bolt.New, one of the latest, most powerful AI tools I'm yet to play with. And yeah, I just wanted to share it and show people, the power behind this thing, man, because it's just insane. And I'm all about sharing the knowledge. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm just, as I say, gonna post. I'm just gonna post some stuff out like this. I'm just spamming all my friends and network with the stream link. Hope they don't mind. That's the Uni-Fy community. We're all out here to support each other. All right, cool. That's done. I'll share that in the Discord as well. Where are we? Okay. It's always a bit like this in the beginning. Maybe I need to probably do an intro and do all of this while that's playing. I will do that next time. I should have thought about that before. I was busy trying to set this up and just testing a few things with you for you so I can show you something that works. Um, but yeah, so we're gonna be, testing it out together as we go and just seeing what we can create. This is the platform that we'll be using, Bolt.New, and so yeah, I definitely recommend just heading over there, while we're doing the stream because this is an absolute powerhouse. All right, this is going to code for you. It's going to build web apps. It's insane. So yeah, this is super exciting, and I think with a little bit of practice, you can. And this is free as well in its current state. You can upgrade. I've already upgraded because I used everything up, just messing around building stuff. But yeah, super addictive, really effective, and you can deploy it straight off the bat, like using a GitHub plugin. So yeah, and then it's live. You can add a custom domain to it, all in just a few clicks. Like it's so simplified, so user friendly. Great way to build something that you can monetize. So yeah, but before we dive into that, let's quickly run through, as always, Uni-Fy. So we are Uni-Fy, and we provide B2B on-chain e-commerce brand pages with gamified community marketing and loyalty and automated reward systems in there with powerful dashboards. So what that means is when you register with Uni-Fy, you instantly have the ability to generate unique referral codes for any of our products and services on the platform. And in doing that, you then drive traffic through those links, and you can see all of your traffic and how many clicks you've had, what you're promoting in real time, and then, of course, your sales, how much commission you've made. Um, and so this is really, really powerful. Great way to be empowered and start generating revenue in Web3 without investing anything but your time. And the same for brands. So brands also can register, and then they will have a analytics dashboard, again, real time. You can see who's driving the most traffic, your top performing community members, how many clicks they're getting, where from, and what they're promoting. So super, super powerful. It's all completely free to use. So get on here and register. We are in DevNet, right? So at the moment, all of these clicks, all of this is counting towards the airdrop allocation that's coming for our token launch. So yeah, again, out here rewarding early beta testers, early users, and brands get a larger airdrop, for joining us as beta testers as well. You can see we've got quite a few brands on already, and plenty more in the pipeline. I think we've got 3 more going live this week. And yeah, these brands have come along. they've either already got a product, already got a service, and are looking for somewhere to promote it. So they want the instant on-chain e-commerce capabilities. They get that simply by listing their products and services on here, and I can generate a link, and that link will allow me to redirect traffic straight back to that product page, and now be attributed that traffic. If someone is to make a sale, then I will be then paid a commission, and it would appear in my affiliate dashboard. You do need to be logged out to count your own clicks, but yeah, so that's the dashboard overall. The platform, as I say, allows people like DGen Life, for instance. They didn't have any inventory. These are all print on demand products, and they are now using these products to start generating revenue, or in this case, token airdrop allocation, but we'll be using it to generate revenue. So they just had the designs. We gave them all the t-shirts and helped them build out their brand page. We even did these mock-ups, like these 3D mock-ups. If you want stuff like this, we can do that for you. And yeah, then you can list them, and as I say, they're up for sale, and you can add them to your cart and check out and all that good stuff. So that's live in DevNet. Get yourself on here, register, start farming our token, and taking advantage of getting your head in the game. But what we're gonna, the purpose of why we're here obviously is for Bolt.New, as well as Uni-Fy. And so what we're going to do, we're going to link the two, and we're going to use Bolt.New to build a funnel that can then drive traffic to our community products and services, right, that we choose here. So for instance, if it was going to be this one, we would generate that link, and then we're going to use that in our blog to actually start driving traffic back to this and start making commission, so that we can then get a nice juicy airdrop of up tokens. So let's get into it. Now you go here and register for free, obviously, so it's free to register. Just get in there. I can't remember how many credits you get, but it's a lot. Like, I messed around a lot before I realized that I can't stop and had to upgrade. But there's various options on that, and then you're going to put your prompt in here. Okay, now one thing I found is, obviously, you do have those limited prompts, so you want to have start strong with a good foundation prompt. And so I found the best way to do that is actually to use another AI, which would be ChatGTP, or whatever you want. And so you're going to ask ChatGTP to give you some ideas. Like here you can see, give me some simple but high variety potential one-page web apps ideas I can build using Bolt.New. And so it's given me, like, how many? 10 ideas here. All right. So meme generator with templates, random complement generator, mood-based music recommendations, tiny habit tracker. And to be honest, I would never have thought of this stuff. So pretty cool. So we're going to do one of these afterwards, but obviously now what I want to show you in the initial instance is how we can build a blog that we can use to then drive traffic down here. So let's go back here, and I put one in. Give me a prompt for a simple one-page blog website, include navbar, and use the colors from the Uni-Fy logo. And so I've put that in, and it's given me that. And then I realized, let's make it focus on Solana, just to have some reference points to Web3 in there. So I asked it to add that, and it actually gave me 2 responses here that we can choose from. I think initially I'm going to go with the first one. So I'm just going to choose that one and hit copy, and then head over to Bolt.New, and this is where the magic will happen. So you just simply paste that that prompt in there and hit go. And so now it's like having a full stack dev team that have drunk far too many Red Bulls and caffeine drinks, and they're just working, 5,000 of them all working at 1,000,000 miles an hour, and now coding out this prompt into a format that we can then interact with. Now, this might take a minute. I meant to start a timer. Maybe I'll do it on the next one. I'll start the timer to see how quick we can bang something out. But to quickly go back to the Uni-Fy platform again, just head over to unify.us, and then you can register as a community marketer. And in doing that, you then get the ability to support and promote all of the brands on our platform in return for crypto commission, or in the current state, token airdrop allocation points. We help you build assets out, and we provide sustainable revenue streams to you via these low code, no code brand pages with e-commerce built in. And then of course you can generate links as individuals for brand pages or services or products. Anything that is listed on here is inherently a community marketing product. Okay, so let's check out on Bolt. So look at that. So from that prompt, it's done all the work. So I've created a modern, responsive, Solana-focused website with the following features: sticky navigation with smooth mobile menu transitions, hero sections with animated scroll indicator, feature projects with hover effect and icons. And you see it goes on. So let's see, what it does. What does it work at all at the moment? So we've got like the base format here. We've even got the email collection page, links out. I mean, this is pretty awesome, right? From one prompt. So let's see if we can add. What should we add on here to these pages? So I think these are just clicking around the same landing page. So let's see if we can add some additional pages. Link some additional pages to the buttons on the nav bar. If you hit this, it will like make the prompt better for it to understand. So we hit that again, and it's gonna go back to work and make these additions. We'll just let it do its thing for a minute. And so each time you copy one of these, if I copy this, sorry, let me copy this and then log out and then use that. And do that, then log in. We should see. So there's our one click for today that we just did. So you can see that then that will populate here and is giving you then a response and an understanding of where your best performing traffic sources are, right? So, if you're getting, let's say you post a thread on all of these platforms and, make it into a YouTube video. So you use the same piece of content across all of these platforms, you share it everywhere, put the link in, and you see significant increases in clicks from Twitter than you do to say Facebook, right? So that would mean that you'd want to focus more time on Twitter and put more content out there, because that's obviously where your audience is resonating most strongly with whatever it is that you're sharing at that play, at that on that social platform. Again, your total clicks are there, and these are the brands that you're promoting and how many clicks you've had for each of those brands, and then these are the independent products from those brands. And you can see your commission status here, what's cooking, what you've already earned. And this is all allocating to your token airdrop. So back to Bolt.New. Okay, so now we've got some buttons going, and it kind of stops at this layer. So you can see, right, how quickly I am now building up this this blog site. Relevant buttons. Include some placeholder text. Okay, so I'm just asking it now to add some actual blog pages in here. and let's see what it does. And what I found with this is like you can go deeper and deeper. So at the moment, I'm doing one where I'm trying to link the LLMs, so like ChatGPT or Claude, into a blog generator. So sorry, into a blog website that would generate content for you while you're on it using AI. So you can literally be there, insert your affiliate link, and then you can link that via keyword, and it will insert your affiliate links into the blog as it writes it. And that way, you know, you're saving so much time on um, content generation, because you know obviously you're going to proof it, you're going to go through it, you might change it yourself, but at the end of the day, like, it is a numbers game as well, you know, and you start getting clicked on one of those blogs, and that's when you go in and refine it. Okay, so let's see what it's done now, saying, you know, it's done those bits. So let's see. No more. No. Blog. Okay, here we go. Look, so blog, and then read more. So you can see now, like, you've literally got an entire website, right? And you can edit all of this in the, you know, later on. You can go in, you can change the text, you can add more pages and everything else. But I'm just showing you, like, to get that initial thing, you know, off the ground, how quickly you can have something super professional set up and live, right? Even with email collection in there. I mean, how important is that? So that's an example of how you can build out a blog website using this AI platform. Super simple. And then there's loads more you can do with it. You can go way deeper, right? So you can pull APIs, for instance, like, you know, we will have, I'm going to do the next video on this. I would do an instructional video of the API code input. So you'd actually be able to just follow this tutorial and then pull the API from Uni-Fy, and then you would literally have the entire Uni-Fy platform in your blog with your um, excuse me, with your affiliate codes already pre-filled in all of the products. So that way people can literally shop from your blog, and you will make commission on every sale. So that's that. Let's do a new one. Let's try and take one from this this group of ideas. Like, what should we do? I want to do something simple so you can just see, like, you know, something complete and functional in one click. Randomized break. Question generator. What's this? Right, let's see what it does. We just put a super basic prompt in there like that. Right, we're just literally going to put that and see what it does. Start the timer. Okay, so it's coding it all out. We've got our million coders all on steroids and too much caffeine at work, building in the background. And 17 seconds in, it looks like it's nearly done. Boom, look at that. Come on. Right, is that done? No, not quite. Okay, what the hell? All right, so 36 seconds, maybe a little bit less because I took a second to do it, right? So 36 seconds, it's done this. And so what we wanted was let's look at the prompt what we put in. Random icebreaker question generator. So imagine this on your phone. You get a bit nervous when you're at the club or whatever, you know, you want to approach someone and you don't know what you're going to say. So you could have this app on your phone, and then you just hit generate a new question. So if you could master any skill instantly, what would it be? Great question to ask someone, right? And what's a small thing that always brightens your day? What's your go-to comfort food and why? Let's see if we can make it be funny. So I've just asked it to add a bit more humor to the questions and give more diverse responses. All right, so let's regenerate that. Okay, so it's given, you know, a much more robust prompt. Okay, so now it's going to go back to work. Let's see how long it takes to do the update. So we'll have an idea on timing of the whole thing once we're happy with it to how long it took. Where are we? It's looking like it's winding up. Let's see what we're going to get. I mean, the fact that you can do this, it's just blowing my mind. You know, like ChatGPT, do it. You have to then like copy the code or and put it somewhere else. But the fact that you can do this all in here, and then you can ask it like, how do I do it? And it will tell you like if you need external plugins, it will tell you and tell you how to go and get those external plugins, and then how to plug them in. Um, Okay, so now it's saying split the code into reusable components, manage interactive buttons, enhance questions with playful scenarios, pop culture reference, emojis, um, improved UI. Okay, cool. So let's see, hit me again. So look, there you go. What happens if we hit spread the fun? Nothing. We'll see if we can get that working. If your pet could suddenly speak, what's the first secret they would spill about you? See, that's quite a good question. That's actually quite a good question. If you were a kitchen appliance, which one would you be and why? Toast to meet, toast to meet you, bread. Don't get that bit. You're the inventor of a new holiday. What's it called, and what are the weird traditions? Meh. What's the most dad joke worthy pun you know? Okay, so anyway, it's doing its thing, right? You know, like this is what we've asked it to do, and it's doing it. So let's see if we can make it actually share the. Drop my phone. So I dropped my phone. Let's see if we can make that spread the fun button. They actually did a test on AI, and if you apparently there was a glitch in Open in ChatGPT that if you offered it a $50 tip, it would do the same work again but better. So now I give it some kind words of encouragement. Good work on this. Let's add. Sorry. Let's add functionality to the spread the fun button and share to Twitter. I don't know if that's gonna. I don't know if you need APIs or whatever for that, but let's see. So we can do that. Do that. Okay, so it's gonna potentially gonna now allow us to share it. So let's see, and then I think we'll do one more. I was thinking let's try meme generator with templates. I wonder if it's gonna give us images, because I don't know if this can actually generate images internally. I think you need to plug in an image generator, if that makes sense. But we'll try it. Why not? But yeah, I just wanted you guys to see. I mean, I've been messing around with this, and like you could literally set this up. You know, like you can put this live if you have a community already. You know, you could add this to, you know, once you deploy it, which I'll show you on one of these. Once you deploy it, you can then share the domain, and it's live. That's it, literally live. And then you could share it in your Discord. So you wanted to make something funny for your particular Discord. Um, in fact, yeah, we could do one for Uni-Fy. Let's see if we can do something that comes up with that. Anyway, so this supposedly should work now. Really? No way. No way. Do you see what I mean? Like, I wasn't expecting that to actually work. If I'm honest, I'm quite shocked. So, now, right, what happens? So now you share this in your Discord. Maybe you're like a relationships expert and you've got a Discord for whatever reason that might be, but maybe you have that. So you put this in there. Look here, use my icebreaker app if you're ever in trouble. And now when people use it, like maybe they pull a girl using the question or they create conversation, something good happens, boom, they spread the fun. Now you've got like virality of people wanting to know where that question was, right? You've got social proof happening instantly. Um, and so again, you could link this to a product, right? So let's think of something. Let's think of something. I wonder what happened if we do this. Go here. Do services and generate a prompt for a tool that will help drive traffic to the affiliate service. And so I've got the pro plan on ChatGTP, so it will search the web. If you don't have a pro plan or you don't want to spend any money, you can use Perplexity, and Perplexity lets you search the web for free. Um, so yeah, I don't know why I don't use Perplexity more, but I guess this is what I got used to, so I just use this. So right, we put prompt in, choose one of these services from the link provided, and generate a prompt for a tool that will help drive traffic to the affiliate service. Let's see what it does. We'll keep it super vague and see what we get. So now you can see we're using this tool to create something of value that will then, so look at this, that will then allow us to drive more traffic and generate revenue and potentially monetize the tool itself as well. So look, we put that prompt in, we gave it a link, gone and had a look at that. Build a tool called Pinfluence. What the hell? That's actually the best name I've ever heard. To drive traffic and awareness for the Pinterest account setup and pin creation service on Uni-Fy. The tool should. Okay, should we just chuck that in? So that's a prompt for one tool. Did I use just the Pinterest one? So no, it's just chosen the Pinterest one. Okay, so obviously it put some thought into that, whatever. So let's copy this. This has been fun, but let's go and do something new. So we're going to put this in. I wonder what this is going to do. So now we're building a tool, right? So what we would do is, once we've got this tool bit down, we'll put some copy on there that's going to draw the attention of people via search engines. So, we'll put some copy in that will be like, the best free traffic finder, or, free traffic finder for Pinterest. And, we'll go through all of that. And then that will become a one pager that will not only organically get traffic, but then allow you to drive traffic to it as well. So you could run paid ads, you could then link it out to a blog, you could have it as a link in bio. It can become a tool for your community, right? I mean, you can see the detail it's going into here. Like, it's I still, I just sit here and watch it sometimes because it is just insane that this is possible already. And I feel like, the bigger your imagination, and if you have some coding experience, I have no coding experience. So, if you have coding experience and a good imagination combined with ChatGTP ideas, I think, this really is a gold mine. And the fact that you can do it for free, you could get that first one right, and you could literally build $1 million piece of software for free using this software, using this AI, Bolt.New. So that's what we're running through now. We'll just let that finish up. So what it's done, we put the prompt in here, choose one of the services from the link provided and generate a prompt for a tool that will help drive traffic to the affiliate service. So I wonder if that prompt has actually caused it to choose Pinterest, because could have chosen funnels as well. But that's the prompt we've put in to ChatGPT. It's the pro version, so it has gone over to the website to have a look what's there, and then it's built. It's told us to build a tool that does this. So we've then taken this prompt and we've dropped it into Bolt.New, and apparently it has done something. I mean, like, you can't argue with that, really. Sorry, I'm just a little bit taken aback, that, and look. So where does that go? What link actually is that? Where does that go? Oh, let me leave that open because that's a clue. Okay, so it doesn't seem to. Oh, it's loading. Maybe it's a dead link. I don't know. Seems to just be spinning. So anyway, we won't spend too much more time on that. But so the share links work. This looks like placeholder data, because it's definitely not linked to Uni-Fy. That's not working. That's not working. Keyword analysis, share progress, inspiration. Wait, what? Okay. I mean, the fact that it's done these animations, like Pinterest, is just insane. So the content planner. Okay, so it's not actually super interactive. It looks like I can't enter. Okay. So what do we want it to do? We want it to add functionality to all of the aspects. Allow me to search keywords. I mean, some of it does work. So we want keywords, add new contents to planner. And what else do we want it to do? Iteration kind of works. Maybe generate new inspiration on demand. And then we're just going to hit that little button there, which makes it just a better prompt. Okay, so again, just to recap before we hit this. Oh no, we've left this running. We're 13 minutes in. Let's reset that and then we'll do something else. But so this right now has been built purely by AI. What I did, I went to ChatGPT, I gave it a prompt, choose one of the services from this link, gave it the link to Uni-Fy services page. It chose this service. All right. Let's take it to another level and see if we can send it and tell it to include this link as well, shall we? Add this link to the try services button. Keep everything else the same, including oh shit, I forgot to put the link in. Bollocks. Excuse my language, sorry about that. But I forgot to put the actual link in. Did I? Yeah, we'll see if we can add that afterwards. All right, so now it's like off doing its thing again. It's gonna make some magic, because essentially this is now magic, because I no longer understand this technology. So It's like a wizard in the 1900s. I am the young influenceable prince, and I'm very impressed by this wizard because it seems like a way to print money to me. So again, just to recap what we're doing, Bolt.New is one of the newest AI like coding platforms. So it build apps, web apps, websites, literally whatever you want. Can integrate APIs, it can do more stuff. And oh yeah, so this, I'm still setting this up, so I am by no means an expert on this section, but this website, openrouter.ai, has all of the LLMs available to it in one place. And you can call one API and then conversate with all of the different LLMs. Obviously, you're not going to add them all. You choose free, Claude, Perplexity, ChatGPT, whatever. But you see what I mean, right? And then you can add them. So we will. I mean, I don't want to use too many credits on this, if I'm honest, because it does, it does run up once you start going mad like I have. So, point being is, you could then develop this to generate content using that large language model, and start producing stuff. But let's see if can we input? Okay. So does analyze work? Ha! Look at that. So Pinfluence is real. Or is it? Hold on. Oh my god, you're joking. I mean, if you wanted to go to the next level, I guess then you would pull the Pinterest API and allow it to post on your behalf from your content planner. I'm probably going to add that because I'm probably going to take this live and probably add it to Uni-Fy as an actual tool that we've literally just built in. I again didn't start the timer, but I mean, well, look, you see, there's the prompt. I think I added one variation into this and it's finished. So it'd be fair to say it's under 5 minutes that we've built this. And so I'm blown away, to be honest. Theme, just put that, add to plan. I mean, you know what I mean? Like, that is actually a functioning thing. I still quite, I'm, doing this with you, so I'm no less shocked than you guys if you're shocked by this. So what we're going to try and do is add our link. So add this link to the try Uni-Fy Pinterest service buttons. Okay, that's the link. I don't know why it's done that broken face. I guess it doesn't matter because it's going to redo it now anyway. So again, what we're doing is we are building out. Oh shit! What did I just do? We are building out a piece of software using Bolt.New that is functional and that you can deploy and start using to drive traffic to our affiliate offers, our community marketing offers on Uni-Fy. Now, any brand can join Uni-Fy. Any brand can have a brand page. It's completely free. You customize this. I'll show you. So you customize your brand page. Right, you upload, you put your text in here, you change the button colors, you put your images, you upload your video, and we even have our our images uploaded onto AR Weave, so this is on chain as well. You upload and customize all of this, and you instantly get the ability to list your products and your services for sale simply by going through this form and choosing if it's a service, leave it blank if it's not, hit create, and that then instantly populates the products page or the services page, whichever one it is. All right, these are all, not all of these are Uni-Fy. So like these three are Uni-Fy products. Everyone else is from one of our brand partners here. All right, if you need NFT art generation, you can go to Modder Society. If you want awesome Discord bots, you can go to Bullies. If you want, and these Discord bots are awesome. Like we use them in our Discord every day, so highly recommend that. Um, okay, look, we got a problem. So the good thing is, look, I don't know what that means. Fix it. So you just hit fix problem, which kind of to me, I'm like, well, why don't you not have a problem and fix it without me telling you to fix it? But whatever. Here's me complaining about magic now. You know, that's how quickly you take it for granted. But this is now hopefully going to fix these problems. Sometimes, right, it goes, you break it, you know, and it stops working, and then what you can do, you'll find points. I don't think I'm far enough along yet, but where you can roll back and it will basically like unsave everything you've done, delete it to a point, and then start again there. So if you remember where it all worked, you can usually go back. Um, but yeah, you can see, I just think, you know, with a bit of imagination, and even if you haven't got an imagination, literally ask ChatGPT to give you these high virality ideas and it will do it for you. Copy and paste that. We just used one of these as a prompt. We didn't even bulk it out, but you could say, you know, on this one, write a detailed prompt for a one-pager web tool. And it will just, then it will go to town, and then you'll have a much more detailed one. Okay, so we're back. It's changed the UI slightly. Interesting. It seems that the link out is not working. But anyway, you see where I am going with this, how quickly we've built something. I do actually just want to see what this one does. Let's just see what this one does. But yeah, I think you get the point, and they're all saved, right? You can go back to them, you can edit them. I will actually, I'll deploy that one, and then in fact, yeah, let me cancel. Okay, yeah. So you can see I'm fully addicted to just trying out ideas and building software around it here. But that is really how simple it is. There's no excuse to, you know, not be out here trying to create something that is going to make you dough, or in some way drive traffic. And obviously, you know, your revenue model can be just by driving traffic through the Uni-Fy platform. As I said, as an individual, you head over to Uni-Fy.us and you go to the homepage or wherever you want. You choose a brand, choose a product, choose a service that aligns with your audience or what you want to promote. You generate a link for that. That link is connected to your wallet that you sign up with. Any commission that you make from sales, not only will you see the clicks in your dashboard, but you will also receive your commission in your wallet automatically via our smart contract. So it's all transparent. No humans are involved. If you get the sale, you will get paid. Oh, it's still going. This is a new one, isn't it? Yeah. So yeah, we'll probably we'll wind it down after this, but I want to see if I can. What I'll do is I'll deploy that other one and then share the link to it, because once you deploy it, you can create a GitHub depository. So you have to create a GitHub account to sign into this, and then once you've done that, you can save repository, and then if you come back to it, it will update it. Right. Okay. So, oh my days, are you seeing this, bro? Me magic. Me magic. Okay, so it seems to me like it's not putting it on there, is it? Share. Okay, download. Download works though. Upload. Upload works. Yeah, so it seems that the text isn't showing. Anyway, I'm not gonna. I want to. I'm gonna want to make that one work now. So let's go to Influence and go back to this. Should be good. Okay, cool. So we hit deploy. You deploy it to Netlify. It's just like this is what you want. If you're not tech savvy, you haven't got loads of time, but you want something cool, go here, build this. So just do the GitHub setup, then you sign up to Netlify, and now, right, this is literally the link. So we will chuck this over here. And there it is, right? Like literally, I'm going to share it under this thing. The tool we built to drive traffic to Uni-Fy. In under, we'll call it 10 minutes, guys. It must have been 10 minutes. I'll speed up the footage. Go try it out. We used Bolt.New and built this live on stream. Try it here. Oh, you can't see me typing this. Sorry, guys. But yeah, so let's just do the post. So right underneath here now, guys, like literally, you can go and try that tool that I just built in with you guys on here. All right, so that is literally linked down below. I can't even believe that, to be perfectly honest. Like it is just insane. Oh my God, you're joking. Did you see that? Did you see that? It linked to the affiliate link. Come on. AI. I am absolutely blown away, guys. So we have literally just built a functioning tool as a funnel. I'm speechless, man. Like, so let's just recap exactly how we got to this point, because this has blown my mind. I'm with you now, right? So this has blown my mind. So what we wanted to do, right? We are community marketers on Uni-Fy. We want to make passive revenue from traffic being driven to one of these products or services on the Uni-Fy platform. Okay, so what I did, I didn't even choose this. Okay, what I did is I went to the services page and I copied this. I went in to ChatGTP and where did I do it? Okay, so yeah, choose one of the services from the link provided and generate a prompt for a tool that will help drive traffic to affiliate services. Yeah. So it went to the website and it chose it on its own. It chose this, right? I'll come back to that in a sec. So I then copied this exact prompt into Bolt.New, which you can see Oh, you can't see it anymore. But so the first prompt I put into this was this prompt, right? Then it spat out this. We made a few variations, like adding. So we went here, we took, it's insane. We took this link and we pasted it in, sorry, we copied our link and we pasted it in here. We said, please add our link into the buttons that say try Uni-Fy Pinterest services. So it added that. We didn't do any coding. It added that. And this is now here live online and you can use it. I hope it's going to work now. Analyze. Right. Then we can create the day in which, so we're going to just, so now we're building out our content calendar for the week or the month, whatever. Test pin title. You can try this right now. Links in the thread below this. I literally built this and it is posted. You can go and try it. Let me know what you think. Description, testing, tests, tags. So tags are interesting. So we could have copied the tags from there. I guess I'll start again. So let's just do this properly. Web3, analyze. Right, so tags. Take all of those, copy all of those, go to content planner, put this in here. Boom, done. Pin title, Web3 testing, description, testing, ad plan. Oh no, is that not working? Oh, didn't select the day. Boom. And added, so it did work. Insane. Inspiration. So obviously, like for this to be more niche specific or whatever, you would need to put in an API or tell it to search Google or whatever. But you can see, you know, this is the inspiration gallery as it stands now. And then you can share your progress. So again, this is mock text, but proof that this thing works. And then yeah, all of the links lead you down to our affiliate product where they can buy that and they can then complete that transaction. And once we get to mainnet, you would get a commission, an actual Solana commission. And in this instance, you would get a uh, up token allocation. So all of the traffic you're earning, all of these clicks, everything you're getting is giving you airdrop allocation. This will all be accounted and airdropped to the wallet that you've got connected when we go to mainnet. So yeah, overall, absolutely mind blown by all of that, to be perfectly honest. And just see if we get back to that thing. Yeah, and we built this little web app in under 5 minutes to drive traffic, which again is just, it's just blown my mind. So you can see this is super basic. You can go deep and dark as you want on this and really, you know, start pulling these APIs. Like I say, use OpenRouter to get APIs for LLMs. You put in like $5, $10 of credit and you get loads of generation through your tool. So yeah, and then you hit deploy, as you saw, and then it gives you this. And yeah, so then also to claim this in your GitHub, add that project. And so now I can go in and I can edit all of this stuff, right? And you know, change stuff around, and I will do my best to actually get this all functional for you all, and we'll review it again in a couple of days. But yeah, I hope you have enjoyed the training. I've certainly enjoyed it. I've had my mind blown by AI. I imagine you guys have had the same. So get over to Bolt.New and register I don't think you even have to register to use your first stuff. So, just get over there and do it for free, and build whatever you want, whatever you can think of, and tag me on what you build and show us what you built and join our Discord. We've got 3+ brand pages going live this week, more brands coming on every week. Lots of exciting stuff happening in the Discord. We've got brawls going live. We've got our drip page. So actually, yeah, so this Friday we have our drip page going live. It'll be our first drop. And moving forward, brands that come on will be able to collaborate and do collaborative drops on there, whether or not you're on Drip. We'll be able to provide your brand exposure through that platform. We'll be launching a video, I believe, this first one. So yeah, look out for that. And no doubt there'll be some cool airdrop functions and features on there, and leaderboard stuff will unlock aspects of Uni-Fy and some one-on-one training stuff and all of that. So yeah, definitely would love your support over there. We'll be doing a probably a launch party on Friday in the on Twitter, or maybe even on here. And we've also got some cool projects who are going to be joining for some live streams as well. We got VentureMind AI coming up, and Ithium at some point. So stay tuned for those. They're really exciting. And yeah, more training on Thursday. So guys, it's been a pleasure as always. If you have any questions, DMs are open. Tag me down below. Go try that tool that we built. It's tagged below this this feed. And yeah,